I'm Tracie Thompson. This is Tiggy. This is Kevin. About a year ago, I decided to take on a small project, which was stripping and refinishing the picture rail in this room. What started as about a week-long project became about a 2-month project of me refinishing the trim, fixing the plaster, and installing new quarter round. So I used citrus strip, which is an environmentally friendly product. I just did a combination of citrus strip and then wiping it down with mineral spirits. I chose the color because it complements the wood, both the white and the kind of mustardy color. And it's just a nice warm color, and even on a cloudy, rainy day, it elevates the entire room and then makes it feel kind of warm and cozy at the same time.